from Harmony Science Academy, Carrollton. Yeah. Our PBL is designed to discover the fat in our everyday food.
The main materials you will need are food samples, mason jars, a sledgehammer, and acetone.
As you see us doing the experiment in the background, we will be explaining how it works. First, we crush up our food and weight it. We repeat this for all of the samples. Then we transfer our crushed up samples into mason jars and weight it. We then pour the acetone into our samples and mix it up, and we repeat the sample 3 times. However, we separate the samples and the liquids in different jars so that we are able to see the fat in our foods. We then place the samples outside.
Remember, 20.
Fell on the table. It's over 20.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Bro, it's barely at 20.
Oh, it's barely at this.
I'm scared. Ooh.
Steady hand. A drop. Okay. Oh, Adma.
Just no,
The acetone acts as a solvent, which separates fatty acid molecules from the original food sample. The fatty acid chains are then left behind within the acetone. In order to extract the fatty acid chains, it must go through desolvatinization, which essentially means to put it out in the open so the acetone dissolves in the air. After all of the acetone dissolves, the fatty acids are left in the jar, which means we have oil left.
Our results from this experiment can be seen in these 2 tables in our graph. We came to the conclusion that avocados have more fats in them than what is put on nutrition labels. For the ELA component, we chose to do a journal. For the journal, we had to record our experiments day by day. We had to take notes and type down our observations as well as type down the stuff that we accomplished that day too.
As for the social studies component, we explained how fat is observed and viewed in the world. We wrote about the evolution of oil, how it's been included in our everyday meals, and how that affects our body. You can read more on our PBL website.
Thanks for watching Harmony Public Schools.